Hey, we love getting questions from viewers, and lately it's all about flooring and can you put a certain type of floor over an existing floor? And if you've got concrete like this and you're wanting to install some ceramic, all you need to do is make sure the slab is nice and clean, and if you have any little holes here and there, fill them with a floor patch compound and you're ready to go. One question we've gotten is, what if I have vinyl on the floor and it's in pretty good shape? Can I then install ceramic over vinyl? Absolutely no problem at all, as long as the vinyl is glued securely to the slab. Now, here's another scenario, a wood subfloor. If you have a wood subfloor, can I install ceramic directly to it? Absolutely not. You'll have some flooring guys out there saying that it's okay, but I guarantee you'll end up with some cracks. Much better to do exactly this. First, this is 1/2-inch cement backer board. You'll want to put down an adhesive below it. Then you'll want to screw it with coated screws, and then any seam that you have, you'll want to put fiberglass mesh tape over it, and then use a thin set adhesive to kind of smooth everything out. Then, when you work hard and install all of your ceramic, it'll be there for a long, long time. Hey, another option, we talked earlier about wood, and wood's beautiful. If you have a wood subfloor, you can nail it straight down there, but so many people are finding out about laminate floors and still being able to get that great wood look. So, if you have either concrete or wood, what you want to do first is use an underlayment. Now, this is a really good underlayment. There's a lot of different types of underlayment. Some will be very, very thin. It's a lot better, in my opinion, to step up to a better underlayment because it'll make for a much quieter floor and you'll get all of the vapor barrier that you need. After that's down, then you can take various types of laminate floor. These things are great now. They don't even require any glue. Just click them together like this. Follow your instructions. Make sure you don't get it too close to the wall because it does need to expand and contract a little bit. And in most cases, in less than one day, you can have a nice looking laminate floor.